Hello, my name is Pastanyan and I'm going to be explaining to you functions in JavaScript. Functions, imagine in mathematics you assign a number for x, you input it and then it becomes another number. It's the same in JavaScript. You imagine a box. You put something from the right side and then it comes out, it returns differently from the left side. You can say that functions have an input and an output. You input a number or string and it can return differently, multiplied or divided. Let's look at some examples. Here, we assign f1, const f1, it's the name of the function, and it says function, we input x and y, we open the curly brackets, then we say what's going to be returned. Here I want x and y to be multiplied. So I say console log f1, I put 2 and 3, and then in the console it's going to input 6. Because x multiplied by y is going to be 2 multiplied by 3, and it's going to be 6. Here the function has an input and an output. Let's look at another example. Here, the function has an input, but doesn't have an output. It doesn't return anything. So if I say console log f2 and input 2 and 3 in the x and y, it's just going to say undefined because it doesn't return anything. Even if I write like 5, 6 or nothing there, it's going to return to me nothing because there is no output. Let's look at another example. Here, the function doesn't have an input, but it does have an output. It returns to me the value 1. So, if I say console log f3, even if I put 1 here, 2, 3 million, it's gonna print in the console the number 1. Because I said return the number 1. Now, let's look at the function that neither has an input or output. It's just a function without anything, like you input nothing in the box, so it doesn't come out anything. So if I write console log f4, even if I write 1, 2, 3, it's going to stay undefined because it doesn't have an output. So it's nothing. So I hope I explained it well and for examples helped you. Bye.